Okay guys, today we have an Audi R8 in front of us, a Gen 1, and you've probably just got done watching the video on this entire build breakdown. And if you don't know, if you're just joining us, this is a Gen 1, it's got an exhaust on it. We bagged this car, it's got Inga's wheels on it. It's got this beautiful neon mint, green, turquoise, or whatever you want to call it, wrap on it. And a quick note, I have never drove an R8 like past like a block away from the shop. So now we're gonna drive it from alignment. We just got it aligned from here to the shop. I don't even know how to put it in gear. So we're gonna learn together how to do this. And fingers crossed we make it all the way to the shop. So here we go. We'll get the windows rolled down, cracked for y'all, so y'all can get an idea of how it sounds. Holy cow. Let's get in here. Okay. There is a keyhole. I wasn't sure. I was curious about that part. See if it starts. It started. Don't worry about the TPMS sensor in there. It's got new TPMS sensors and they're just not quite coated yet. Crack the windows. There's our videographer over there, if you can see him. Let me get a seatbelt on here. This car's got a whole lot of power. More than a Civic, or most Civics anyways. Make sure we're aired up. Yeah, seem to be aired up. Hopefully we're aired up. Okay. E-brakes off. Okay, we're in auto. Cool. Let's go. Luckily, we're really good friends with the owner of this car, and he watches our videos, so he'll be okay if I hit it a little bit. But for the most part, if y'all have seen me drive these cars, I don't get on them very hard. You know, there's not my own car, but we like to have a little fun. Okay, let's get out of here and not hit one of these giant potholes. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Y'all don't mind me, I'm just in a neon mint green looking supercar. The gauge, you're babying it. Well, I gotta get out on the road here. Like, don't worry, I'll get an open stretch. I think it's crazier that this is the first time you're seeing me drive this car, and this is the first time I'm driving this car, or an R8, period. You know, this could probably be my new daily. I wouldn't mind it. 10 cylinders, all the ponies. Tell that was only 4,500 RPM. I mean, she revs out to 9. Like, there's a lot to go here. There's third gear, second gear. Oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. I've never drove one of these. This is amazing. Drop down the second again. Oh, it sounds beautiful. You know, I don't care how fast or how slow these cars are. You cannot beat the sound of a V10. Like, you just can't beat it. I mean, this thing sounds amazing. Third gear, second gear. Oh, baby. Oh, it sounds so good. I'm so worried about this car being aired up, but she seems okay. We'll open up. Oh, those are, oh, I didn't know that did that. Huh. Oh, look, there's a Subaru thinking he's fast. That's Trevor, by the way. Lexus probably wanting to smoke. This thing is much better than the pre-LP Lambo, but the Gen 2 Trans is definitely far superior. Auto mode's pretty solid though, I ain't gonna lie. I don't gotta do anything. Get us some more room here and give y'all some more pulls. Da 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 da. Going through an intersection, don't mind me. Just a bright freaking bluish green R8. Third gear. I need some room. I'll need to get out of my way. I got things to do. People to see. You stay over there, car. You stay over there. Oh, this is fun. Oh, it sounds so good. Car gods humming. This screams everything you can't get out of American Muscle. I mean, it has it all. Yeah, I'm in a mid-engine German V10. It sounds amazing.
From the outside, it sounds so good.
It sounds terrific. You know, it's crazy. You know, I work at SPEEDhaus and I hardly ever drive any of the cars. I mean, I do test drives, but for the most part, it's just me, myself, and I. There's a Popo, there's another Popo. We don't get along with Popos. That was just casually getting on it. This thing's amazing. Drop down a gear. Oh, baby. This is pure excitement. Okay, we're turning. Glorious. Okay, we'll drop down in a second. So good. Guys, this car drives great, feels amazing, sounds amazing. Owning a V10 is gotta be amazing. Holy cow. And so when I get up here to the shop, which we're about to here at the shop now, I'm going to show you one of the biggest benefits of having air ride on your car. As most of y'all know, R8s or most supercars are very, very low to the ground, and ride height on this car is still extremely low to the ground. So when you're rolling up to where you gotta go and it's a steep incline, all you gotta do is we have little presets on here. I'm gonna raise this car all the way up. And just like that, we're all the way to the aired all the way up. And we clear everything without a problem. And if y'all know, here at SPEEDhaus, our incline is kind of high. And then we get in here and we raise it back down to ride height. And earlier I was talking about a pre-LP and how they drive, and right here next to me is a pre-LP Lambo. That kind of suck. Then we'll air it out. When the air car's out, guys, make sure your steering wheel is straight, and then we'll see what he's got. I didn't want to mess with it. I didn't know if he had a preset or what he did. Okay, boys and girls, and whoever's dogs and cats are watching, we're back here at SPEEDhaus, the magnificent shop here in Edmond, Oklahoma. And that's the first drive of an Audi R8 for me and for y'all and everybody. And here she is, a victorious V10 German engineering, and she looks amazing and she drove amazing. Thanks for watching, guys, here at SPEEDhaus. We'll see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.